G'day guys, the best way to describe it is probably just to do a quick edited video. So I boot up the Geochron. Once it starts up, the ham pack is activated. So I go into the settings of the ham pack, and keep in mind this subscription is still current till February 20th of 2025. So I go in and deactivate that because it seems to be whenever the ham pack's activated, it causes these issues. So here, I've just gone in and deactivated everything. I'll show a video of that in a sec. A section of it have all been deactivated. So there it is there, all deactivated. Everything's turned off. And then after about 10 to 20 minutes, I get subscription expired. Go to our website to reactivate, and then the unit will reboot. So I've shortened obviously the boot ups a bit in the video just to try and speed the process up a little bit. But this is probably the easiest way to describe what's happening. And then everything's been reactivated with subscription expired up in the top corner there. It's telling me it's subscribed. I've disconnected everything, but it'll reboot and reload everything. And the other thing I'm unable to do is link the mobile app to the device. See, everything's been reactivated, and subscription up in the top corner there is showing that it's expired, and as you can see there, it's current. So it appears to be something on the server. Cheers, guys.